Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best body piercing plugs is probably one of the most versatile and stylish ways to express your individuality, offering a unique aesthetic that can range from subtle to bold, and this review will guide you through selecting the perfect pair that not only complements your personal style but also ensures comfort and safety for your piercing. Number 5. JieyueJewelry 50/54 Pieces Ear Stretching Kit. Discover the ultimate ear stretching experience with this comprehensive set. It includes everything you need to gradually expand your ear piercings. This kit offers a wide range of sizes, from 14G to 0G, allowing for precise and comfortable stretching. You can achieve your desired look with ease. Crafted from durable acrylic tapers and plugs, along with soft silicone tunnels. These materials ensure comfort and longevity for your new jewelry. Designed for both women and men, this set is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their body-piercing jewelry collection. Express your individuality. Get a complete ear gauges expander set that provides endless possibilities. It's the ideal choice for all your ear stretching needs. What we like. This set offers an incredible range of sizes, perfect for those just starting their stretching journey or looking to expand their collection. If you're seeking a comprehensive kit with everything you need to begin, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for beginners who want to experiment with different sizes without buying multiple individual pieces. What people say. The tunnels are made of high-quality stainless steel, which is durable and hypoallergenic. They have a smooth, polished finish that looks very attractive and feels comfortable to wear. The screwback design makes them easy to put on and take off, and they stay securely in place. Number 4. OUFER Silicone Ear Gauges. Introducing our premium silicone ear gauges, designed for ultimate comfort and flexibility. Perfect for everyday wear, these tunnels provide a smooth and secure fit. Experience a secure fit with the double-flared design. This feature ensures your jewelry stays in place all day long, giving you peace of mind. Easily stretch and expand your piercings with these versatile plugs. They are ideal for gradually achieving your desired look and expressing your unique style. These flesh ear piercing jewelry pieces are designed for everyone. Whether you're a woman or a man, you can enjoy stylish and comfortable ear adornment. Crafted from high-quality silicone, these ear tunnels are built to last. Enjoy durable and body-safe jewelry that you can wear with confidence. Showcase your personal style with these fashionable ear piercing accessories. They are the perfect way to add a unique touch to any outfit. What we like. Experience ultimate comfort with these flexible silicone tunnels. They are designed for extended wear and are gentle on your ears. If you prioritize comfort and a secure fit, especially for sleeping or active lifestyles, these are a fantastic option. They are perfect for individuals who find rigid materials uncomfortable or need a flexible option. What people say. The tunnels are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to tarnishing. The screwback design makes them easy to put on and take off, and they stay securely in place throughout the day. These plugs have a smooth, polished finish that looks very attractive and doesn't irritate the skin. Number 3. Lcolyoli Surgical Steel Screw Fit Ear Gauges Kit. Introducing the Lcolyoli Screw Fit Ear Gauges Kit. This set offers a versatile range of sizes to suit your stretching needs. Crafted from high-quality surgical steel, these tunnels and expanders are designed for comfort and durability. Perfect for both women and men, this body-piercing jewelry set allows for personalized style expression. You'll receive 8 pairs of earlobe plugs, covering sizes from 14G to 0G for gradual stretching. The convenient screw-fit design ensures a secure and comfortable wear for your ear piercings. Elevate your look with this essential body-piercing jewelry set. It's the perfect way to expand your style. What we like. Crafted from durable surgical steel, these plugs offer a secure screw-fit backing for peace of mind. If you're looking for a reliable and safe material that won't irritate your piercings, this set is a great pick. It's suitable for anyone who prefers the security of screw-on jewelry and wants a long-lasting option. What people say. The tunnels are made of good quality stainless steel and have a smooth finish. They are comfortable to wear and do not cause any irritation. The screwback design makes them easy to put on and take off. Number 2. Casvort 8 to 30mm stainless steel double-flared ear gauges. Discover the perfect blend of style and comfort with our premium ear gauges. Crafted for durability and a smooth finish, they are designed to elevate your look. Made from high-quality 316 stainless steel, these earplugs are hypoallergenic. You can wear them with confidence, knowing they are gentle on your skin. Available in a range of sizes from 8mm to 30mm, you can find the ideal fit for your style. Achieve the look you desire with these versatile body-piercing jewelry pieces. Featuring a double-flared design, these ear tunnels ensure a secure and comfortable fit. They stay in place, offering both security and aesthetic appeal. The sleek, round teardrop shape offers a modern and sophisticated look. These saddle plugs are a stylish addition to any body-piercing jewelry collection. Experience long-lasting wear with these durable ear gauges. Their design prioritizes comfort, making them suitable for everyday wear. What we like. Made from hypoallergenic 316 stainless steel, these plugs are ideal for sensitive skin. The unique round teardrop shapes add a distinctive style to your look. If you have sensitive ears or are looking for eye-catching designs, these are a wonderful choice. They are perfect for those who want both comfort and a statement piece. What people say. The tunnels are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and a hypoallergenic option for sensitive skin. The screwback design makes them easy to put on and take off, and they stay securely in place throughout the day. These plugs have a smooth, polished finish that looks very professional and attractive. Number 1. Body Candy Organic Turquoise Stone Saddle Plugs. Discover the natural beauty of genuine organic turquoise. These unique stone saddle plugs offer a distinct look. Featuring a double flare design for a secure and comfortable fit. They are designed to stay in place effortlessly. Add a touch of bohemian flair to your style with these versatile ear gauges. They complement any personal aesthetic. Crafted for comfort, you can wear them all day without any irritation. Enjoy the smooth finish against your skin. Showcase your unique personality with these stunning turquoise saddle plugs. They are a perfect way to express yourself. Trust Body Candy for high-quality body jewelry. These plugs are made to last and maintain their beautiful appearance. What we like. Embrace the beauty of natural organic turquoise stone with these unique plugs. The material offers a distinct look and feel that synthetic options can't replicate. If you appreciate natural materials and desire a unique, earthy aesthetic, these are the plugs for you. They are perfect for those who love the look and feel of genuine stone jewelry. What people say. The product is well made and durable. The design is unique and eye-catching. They are comfortable to wear and easy to insert. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.